What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you're doing well, taking care of yourselves. It is early in the morning, so I'm hush-hush because the kids are still asleep. I'm getting ready to go to work soon, but I just want to do this video real quick. So, about a year ago, like April, I believe, I put out videos. I had reached 500 subscribers at the time, and I was saying that I was going to do a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And so at the time, I had some stickers, and I was going to give away 10 stickers. And so obviously, it's been just about a year, and reality is those stickers aren't around anymore. But that's okay, because I am so much closer already. I'm so much closer, even with this long gap of not even being active. Somehow I am still significantly closer to reaching that 1,000 subscriber mark, and I'm feeling super, super grateful. So, even though those stickers are not around anymore, don't you worry about it. I am still going to be doing a giveaway, and instead of 10, there will be 15 potential winners, because I'm feeling so grateful with just how far I've come, even with my just being inactive. And so, you guys are all going to be the awesome first-time winners of my new sticker. Let's check it out. I'm very excited to show it to you. I hope you like it. Alright, so there it is, you guys. I'm really loving these stickers. They're really, really cool. I got these from Sticker Mule, and you know, I'm a shiny person, and of course I had to go from just the normal print to holographic, right? Because that's just me as my character. So I love these stickers so much, and I'm so excited to share them with you. So when I hit 1,000 subscribers, 15 of you will off bat be getting one of these stickers. And so don't worry. Also, maybe if you don't quite become a winner, I'm thinking if you have another channel, I could do sticker swapping. If you don't have a channel, I don't really want to sell them, because I mean, I'm just not at that point in my stuff yet. I don't think. Maybe after I hit 1,000K, I'll start doing things like selling like stickers and stuff. But right now, I'm feeling thankful. And so for 15 people, 1K subscribers, when that happens, 15 of you are going to get this sticker. So in order to actually be a part of that drawing, you have to subscribe, and you have to comment on this post. You have to subscribe, and you have to comment on this posted video. So, and then I will come back to this video. I'll do that whole like drawing and the rolling thingy, whatever people are doing for drawings these days. And then it's gonna happen, and I'm very excited. I'm super excited. I'm super excited for you all to get these stickers. I'm super excited to share these with you, because they are so good. They're so good, and so yeah, I don't want to ramble, and I gotta get ready to go to work. So that is happening. This is it. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, 15 of you is getting one of these stickers. So comment below, share this video, share my channel, get it out there, help me build up my channel a bit, help me reach that 1K. I also have Instagram. It's just Tay's World of Reptiles, but it's a little inactive. But if you want to check that out too. I'm gonna start getting that active again as well. So anyway, you all take care of yourselves, love your reptiles, love your loved ones, and you all keep spreading those herbs.